Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your eToro monthly statements. If you don't have an eToro account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50 when you start trading. However, if you already have an account, open the website, then sign in with your username or email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs on the left side menu. Click on the Settings tab. On the Settings tab, you will see a section for Account. Click on Account. On this page, you will see a section for monthly statements under Documents. On its right side, you will see a View button. Click on View. Now you will see your account's monthly statements. That's how you view your eToro monthly statements. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.